Hello, everyone. This is Renee from China HIGHTOP. We are a factory of providing one-stop poultry equipment over 20 years, and we helped 5,000 plus projects in 30 different. Now we are in our sample room. Many clients want to see our sample room, but because of the epidemic, they can't come. So today, I will introduce all of our cages in the sample room for you to learn more and place your order easily. 照一下。Now you can see there are so many cages in our sample room. Let me introduce you one by one. 定在3层那儿。你不用走，走。Hello, and this is our 3 tiers manual chicken cage. You can see it's A type, 3 tiers. 1, 2, 3. It's manual cage for layers. Secondly, let me introduce our automatic broiler cage. It's automatic cage, including the automatic manure removing system. Next, let me introduce the layer cage too, but it is 4 tiers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tiers manual layer cage. You 往前走走。Now let me introduce you the automatic layer equipment. This is the A-type automatic layer equipment, including the automatic feeding, drinking, manure removing, and the egg collection. The workers can collect eggs from here. It's very easy to operate. Only need to work 1 time per day. And when you're finished, you can stop it. So, 我进来，你别进来了。Now this is our another automatic layer equipment. It is 8 type. The shape is different from another one. It including the automatic feeding, drinking, manure removing, and egg collection too. Logo. The eggs roll from the egg belt to the egg table by the egg clip. You can see the eggs from back to the forth. Eggs come here. And the workers can collect eggs whenever they want. Just need to wait here. It's easy to operate and easy to control. 找这个。Now the last one is the biggest, the highest. It is left type layer equipment. It's automatic type 2, but you can see the egg collection way is different from before. It is lift type egg collection way and no egg collection table, but it will collect eggs from each tiers one by one. Then all eggs flows from the egg gathering line to the egg storage room. This type suitable for a very big farm. 我出来了，你慢慢扫射一下，不要照我，扫机器。好了，固定到我这儿就行了。好，照到我了吗 ？Hello, it's Renee here. So you can see there are so many cages in our sample room. How do you choose these cages? First, you need to understand you want to raise layers or broilers because they use different cages. Layers use layer cages and broilers use broiler cages. And each type of cages have manual one and automatic one. So first, you need to confirm the layers or broilers. Second, you need to confirm the chicken quantity because the chicken quantity determines which type of cages you will use. For a small quantity, we recommend you to use the ordinary cages, the manual one. For a big scale, big numbers of chickens, I recommend you use the automatic cages, which can help you save the labor cost and easy to control. So let me introduce the different solutions for you one by one. So let's see the ordinary cages first. 走，往普通笼那儿走。行了，定位的。Hello, this is Renee. So you can see this is our ordinary cages. It's 3 tiers, and one set can reach 96 or 120 chickens. This is 3 tiers, and this one. 照一下大图就行了。This one is 4 tiers. It can raise more chickens, and one set can reach 128 chickens or 160 chickens. Now there are still 2 different types for you to choose. How do you choose? First, let me introduce you the difference between the 2 cages. Then you will know which one is suitable for your farm. First, let's see the 3 tiers. 细节介绍开始了。You can see the 3 tiers is not very high, so its height is 1.5 meters. 1.5 meters from this side to the bottom. It's 1.5 meters, and the widest from this point to this point is 2.1 meters. And one set can reach 96 or 120 chickens. This is his specific face details. Now it is the 4 tires chickens, you can see it's very high, much higher than me. So the height from the top to the bottom is 1.95 meters. And the cage stand distance from this part to this part is 2.4 meters. And one set cages can reach 128 chickens or 160 chickens. So now you already know the difference of these two cages. How could you choose? There are two points for you to reference. First, it depends on the chicken house. 你就照细节就行了。It depends on the chicken house. If your chicken house have been finished, then you can the widest and the height of the chicken house will determine which type is suitable, because you can see the height and the widest of the 3 tiers and 4 tiers are different. So the chicken house size determines which type is suitable. 还照细节。Secondly, it depends on the customer's preference. Some clients want to raise more chickens in the chicken house, so he prefers 4 tires because the 4 tires raise more chickens. You can see there are 8 pieces of cages in total, and his chicken capacity is large. But as per our experience, most clients like 4 tiers of chicken case because it raises more chickens and the unit cost of each chicken is lower. Saving money is a good choice. Now, as we know, there are so many suppliers in China, and why we would want to recommend our because we are confident in our quality. And later I will introduce the details of our chicken cage for you learn and choose. 行了，细节介绍来。First, I want to introduce our quality. We all know the HIGHTOP quality is the good quality. But do you know the HIGHTOP also have different qualities, and our quality is the top one. Its corrosion resistance is 2 or 3 times higher than ordinary HIGHTOP. You can take some details. Also, you can see the metal wire we use is very thick. The diameter of the metal wire is over 3 millimeters. So it's very heavy and very strong for the heavy chickens. For African chickens, usually its weight over 2 kilograms. But our cages very suitable African chickens. It can bury heavier chickens. The chicken cage won't deform. Also, let me introduce the feed trough we used. The white feed trough we use is pure PVC. You can see from the cross-section part, there is no impurity. But not all of the China suppliers use this kind of quality. Some suppliers may use green recycled quality. So that kind of feed trough is easily to broken in the transportation. Our company values the quality very much, so all of our products are top quality. Also including the accessories like the nibble drinker we used. The nibble drinker we used is thick nails. Maybe you can tell the quality from the picture or the video, but it can be reflected when you use it. It makes sure every chicken drink water and no leading. Also, about the nibble drinker, we have two cups, like this one. This one is nibble drinker without hanging cups. We also have another type with hanging cups. Let me show you a picture. 注意一下下。Look at this one. This one is nibble drinker with hanging cups. It can help to save water, so it's a good choice for clients. Besides this, I have to tell you our cage stand we use. It's HIGHTOP too. This is one type of cage stand we use. We call this. This is cage stand. We call this square tube cage stand. You can see for 3 tiers of chicken cage, we have 3 bars. First, second, and third bars. Each tiers have each bar, so it's very stronger and easy to install. So you can know for 4 tires, we have 4 bars. 3 tires have 3 bars, and 4 tires has 4 bars. And then so many bars in order to make the frame stable. Each set of chicken cage has 2 bars. 来，往上一下。First bars, second bars. We call this is one set of chicken cage. One set of chicken cage has 2 bars. First, second. So you can see it's very stable. Okay, we also have a second choice of the cage stand. It's this. You can see this cage stand is different from that one. There are some support board in the middle of the cage stand, like this support and this support. We call this angle airy cage stand. We add in so many support bars to make it stronger too. So you can choose the wanted cage stand as per your requirement or budget. Or if you still don't know how to choose, then you can send us an inquiry. You can check our website and send us inquiry, and our sales will help you recommend the suitable cages and quote for you. Our website is www.hightoppoultry.com. It's easy to find. Just search HIGHTOP Poultry. Okay, besides this, our other accessories are also top tip, like the thick water pipe, and this the connections, and this the clip to fix the water type, and clip to fix the feed troughs, and also the right one, water press regulator we use. It's top quality tool, but I can't tell everything here. If you want to know more how to tell the quality from the details, please contact our sales to learn more. We are very glad to tell you something.聚焦在这儿，我再介绍一下怎么收蛋。Okay, so we have talked so much about the manual chicken cage, but some clients don't know cages before. They don't know how to use the cages. Let me show you the details. For this manual cages, you need to put the feed into the feed trough, and the chickens will get feed from here. And you can connect the water tank with this. Then the water will flow into the nipple drinkers with the water pipe. Then the chicken drinkers can drink water from here, and get fish from here. And we will collect eggs from here. You can see there is egg collection part. You can collect eggs from here. Eggs comes, and we collect eggs here. It's very good for astoners, raise chickens at a lower cost. 行了，我再介绍一下设备。Okay, hello, this is Renee here. So the ordinary cages have been introduced. If you want to use some equipment to achieve automatic feeding or automatic manure removing, we can help you. We can provide the automatic feeding machine. It can feed in 10,000 chickens within 30 minutes. So it's a very save labor equipment. And about the chicken menu, we can provide the automatic manure removing scrubber, and it can help you clean the manure automatically. Also, if you need other products like the chicken face produce making machine, we can offer them too. And you can get our latest catalog from our website. Don't forget our website is HIGHTOP Poultry. You can get the latest catalog and to buy your wanted products. 好了，我要转到自动那边了，你自己往那边走走。多少分钟了？哎呀，挺多的了。Hello, this is Renee. Now the ordinary cages have been finished. Now I will introduce the automatic ones. The automatic ones shoot for a bigger number of chickens, and it saves labors. So if you want to raise more chickens, like over 10,000 chickens, then you can try this one. We call this A-type automatic layer equipment. Why we call it A-type? Because it looks like a letter A. You can see the cage frame. From here, you can see it really like a letter A. And the automatic cage, including the automatic feeding and the automatic manure removing and egg collection parts. I will introduce them one by one. First, let's see the chicken cage first. 走，你看看那边的光好一点吗？还是你过去，还是我过去？好，看 chicken cage. First, let's see the chicken cage. It's hard dip too. All of our cages are hard dip. The top one hard dip. This door is a sliding door. It's easy for you to put in chickens or taking out chickens. And the eggs will from the nest to here to the egg. This is the egg belt. 把镜看一下。This is the egg belt, and the eggs will wear the egg belt to the egg clip, then to the egg collection tables. Later, I will show you how it rains. 你在这儿，我去拿点鸡蛋。Let me show you how it works. Eggs from here, eggs drops here. Yeah, 下边这一层没有。行了，你在这儿不用动，你就照着这个鸡蛋怎么走，我去前边开个弯。The machine runs. You can see the eggs moves with the egg belt slightly moves. So when you want to collect eggs, then you put the bottom, the eggs will move to the egg collection table. Oh, 去前边看鸡蛋过来了。Then the eggs comes here. So the workers can work to collection eggs. It's very fast to collect eggs because all eggs come together. When you finish all the collection works, then you can stop the machine. 走，介绍这个自动喂料。我去开关。 你在这儿照这个大全面，一会儿在这儿固定住。Later, I will show you how to run the automatic feeder machine. You also just need to put the bottom, then the machine will works. We call the ladder type feeder machine. You can see one row use one tap, and one tap has two sides to feed all tires at the same time. After you finish the feeding, you can return it back. Hello, this is Renee here. And also you can see there is a support frame. What this use is for you to observe the chickens. When you stand on them, then you can see the top tires of the chickens. And also, you can see the chicken feed amount from the hopper. Finally, let me see you the automatic manure removing belt. It can remove all the chicken manures from chicken house to outside, and we can provide the conveyor belt to transport the chicken manures to the transportation cars. No need any laborers. We can directly transport the chicken manures to the cars. 去那儿开开，看看能运转吗？ Now I just ring the put the bottom. The belt works. All the chicken manures will be dropped from the scraper. And you can work 1 or 2 times per day to clean the chicken manures. So this is the A-type layer equipment, including the automatic feeding, automatic egg collection, and automatic manure removing. It's suitable for open-style chicken farm and runs about 20,000 chickens. This is the water pressure regulators, and it can achieve automatic drinking. 拆线了，走。行了，再介绍一下这个。往 H 型再走。Then let me introduce another layer equipment, HS-type layer equipment. Why we called H-type? 要不去 外边。Why we call it H type? Because it looks like H, just a different shape as A type. And you can see the widest of H type is shorter. So this kind of cages can raise more chickens than A type. For A type, one set can raise about 140 chickens, but H type one set can raise about 200 chickens, more chickens, and save space. Also, it including the automatic feeding, automatic drinking, automatic egg collection, and automatic manure removing. It's the same function as this one, and its operation is the same too. The eggs from back to the first, but you can see the egg clip is different one. For A type, it's yellow one, but this one you can see it's blue color, and also the egg clip type is different too. We call it L type.来，你也进来，再详细介绍一下这边。About the egg collection function, for this machine, we entered a soft egg filter system. You can see this part. We enter more. And what's the function of this basket? It used to collection the bad eggs or soft eggs. With this, the good eggs won't be destroyed. The good eggs will be clean. But you can see this type, this A type, just without this system. So the soft egg filter system is unique for H-type layer equipment. And H collection way is similar as A-type, from the egg belt to the egg click. But the nest size is different. It determines the chicken capacity. That's why these cages can raise more chickens, because the nest size is different. Its function is similar. So let me introduce the. Let me show you the how it runs. 来，咱们再看一下这个半自动喂料的运转。不是这个。You can see the feeder type is different A type. We called this one knapsack feeder. It is enclosed. You can see it is enclosed, so it can protect the chicken face, make the chicken cage for clean and safe, prevent chickens from getting sick. 再揉一下。细湿了。没事。 Okay, then let me show you the automatic manure removing system. 来这儿，照一下大的啊。You can see this is the automatic manure removing. It has 3 tires. Its tires have 1 belt to clean the chicken manure. Let me show you how it runs. The chicken manure moves, and the scrubber will make the chicken manure drop. 能看出来转动了吗？看不太出来。走。Okay, so the H-type chicken, H-type layer equipment has been finished. So let's see the topped one. This is very high. 找一下这个高度。This is very high. You can see it is 4 tires, but this one is 3 tires, but they are still so high. These 4 tires raise more chickens, and their function is similar. Also including the automatic drinking and automatic feeding, and the automatic egg collection and the manure removing system. But its difference from another H-type chicken cage is the egg collection way is different. 我先把那个转起来。你不用动，我看看我能。哪个是转起来的？哎呀，哪个是转起来的？那你就拍拍吧。动一下，我看这个收蛋的咋不动啊？我往这边走走，咋样？好好，动了。走，去前边看收蛋去。Let me introduce the different part. It's the egg collection part. You can see the egg collection part is different from before. Before it is egg collection table, but this one it is like a elevator. It collects eggs from each tires. First tires, second tires, third tires, fourth tires, and it is lifting. Collects each tire's eggs, and then transport them from the central egg gathering line to the egg storage room. “行了，走，去介绍肉鸡笼，就让它想着吧。 Hello, this is Renee here. So the layer equipment have been finished. Now I will introduce the broiler chicken cage. From broiler chicken cage, we have manual one and automatic one too. But for manual one, there is no no sample, but it just look like the automatic one. It is each time too, but without the automatic manure belt. It uses the manure plate, so you need to clean the chicken manually. And for the manual one broiler cage, one set can reach about 60 chickens. But for the automatic cages, you can see it has 3 tires. 来，找一下细节，来讲细节了。1, 2, 3 tires. You can see it has 3 tires, and each tire has a big nest, a very big nest, and one nest can reach 13 or 40 broilers. Why is it not a fixed number? Because the chicken weight is different. So the chicken quantity is not a fixed number too. And you can see the chicken it has 2 sides of the feed troughs, one side and another side. So the chickens can get feed from this side or that side. Also, you can put or taking the chickens from both sides. That is a big advantage. Also, let me introduce you some details, like the bottom plastic neck. Look at this. Without this, you can see the hole is very big, so the chickens may be falling out when they are small. That's why we need this to protect their face and preventing baby chicks from falling. Also, the drinking line is lifting type. It can be raising or lowering, so the chickens can get drinks from the neighbor drinker. About the fish, when they are small, they can get feed from the small feeders. We will equip enough quantity feeders inside of the nest. Or they can get feed from the feed troughs. You can see there is a baffle. It is very useful. When the baby chicks are small, we need to raise in the baffle, so the baby chicks can get chicken feed from here. Because they are not tall, so they can't get chicken feed directly. They can get feed from here. But when they are grown up, they are tall enough, we can lower the baffle and the chickens can get feed from here. So you know the baffle is very useful. 再拍一些细节图。慢点，找一下。Also, you can see the height is not very high. This height is very suitable for taking in chickens or putting in chickens or taking out chickens. That's why most of clans like 3 tires of chickens. And it is more safe because the broilers is more active. So we don't suggest to use 4 tires of chicken cage. You can see the door. It's a swing door. Very easy to control. Also about the feeding, we have different ways. One option is the knapsack feeder, like the feeder in the H-type cages. Another choice is the Gatling type feeding machine. 找一个全貌。You can see one set can use to many rows, like this one is used to 3 rows, feeding at the same time. So its cost is effective. 小夏，动一动天车。It overworks, show you how it runs, how it works. 固定住。You can see there are many tubes, and the feeders will from the top to the feed troughs with the tubes. This kind of machine not only used to layer cage, it also can be used to broiler cages. "你一会儿帮我把那个关了。行了，咱也差不多快介绍完了。你自己再找找别的地方。So this is the automatic broiler cage equipment. 哎呀，我想说啥来 Also, if you need other products like the selecting products online, we can provide too, like the plucker, scalder. We can provide them together. If you want to know more about the products or our catalog, you can contact our sales or check our website to get the latest catalog. Don't forget our website is HIGHTOP Poultry. 来，固定在这儿。行了，往这儿走吧。So for now, all the cages have been introduced. Also for the layer equipment, you can see it's very high. So if you want to check the chickens, we also can provide the observation cars. It can take you to observe these cages. Okay, that's all of the cages introduction. Besides the quality of the cages, you may also concerned about the installation. Because we all know it's epidemic now, so we can't go outside to help you install the cages. But you don't worry. For the ordinary cages, we can provide you the clear videos. Also, 忘了说了。For the ordinary cages, we will provide you the clear installation videos and the installation tools. Like this. This is the manual one installation tools. It can help you to install the cages. Also, if you place a big order, we can provide you the automatic installation gun. It can help to install the cages very fast. These tools are all free. For the automatic layer equipment, you don't need to worry too. We already have many projects in foreign. The clients are already finishing the installation. We will provide the clearly installation videos to help you. And if you need, our Anping can provide one-to-one online guidance to help you engines. Also, for some countries, we have many projects. Also, we have a cooperated installation tool. So our installation tool can help you install the cages and all the equipment. So you don't have any worries about importing cages from China, from us. For now, so let's take action. If you have inquiry and want to raise chickens, please send us inquiries. Our sales, our professional sales will help you to make the customized solutions and can help you make the layout design and can recommend you the chicken house size and quote the best quality chicken cage for you and requirement. So we will help you solve all the problems. You just need to send us inquiry. We will help you solve all problems and start the chicken farming projects.来，再动动。Okay. So the live streaming is almost finishing. Let me introduce our company again. We are HIGHTOP company. Remember our number, HIGHTOP. We are HIGHTOP company, and remember our website is HIGHTOP Poultry. Please send us inquiry from the website or get the latest catalog from the website. We are a one-stop poultry farming equipment over 20 years. Believe us, we are professional and experienced. And we helped 5,000 plus projects in 30 different countries. No matter which countries you are, we have projects in local for you to take a look. So the live streaming is over. Bye bye. Let's talk next time. Bye bye.